Hello everyone, today I will show you how to transform text in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file, now click on this selection icon and drag your mouse, select your text you want to transform. Now select effect option and select a distort and transform and again select transform option. Now select preview option and horizontal scale decrease. See this transfer already working and vertical scale will decrease and increase. See this and horizontal scale. Also you can move text horizontal and vertical. See this. Also you can change angle. And make it 0. And see this. In this way you can change a text transform. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.